Namaskar. Welcome to Sitar by the Haldi. I am Somarendra Mondol, a disciple of Pandit Devaprasad Chakravarti of the Maihar Gharana. In our previous lesson, we explored a fundamental questions. What is a raga? We learned that a raga is much more than a scale. It is a melodic framework that creates a specific mood and emotional experience. But that raises another important question. What is a raga actually made of? The answer is swar. In today's lesson, we will understand what a swar is, why it is the foundation of Indian classical music, and how just 7 basic notes can create hundreds of beautiful ragas. Let's begin. A swar is a musical note. Just as words are made from letters, melodies are made from swaras. Without letters, we cannot write a language. Without swaras, we cannot create music. Every raga, every composition, every alap, and every performance begins with swara. In Indian classical music, there are 7 basic swars. Together, they are called Saptak. These 7 swars are sa re ga ma pa da ni. Then the pattern returns to sa in the next octave. Sa re. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Ga ma pa dha ni sa. This is called sa. Sa is the foundation. Every musical journey begins with here. The second swar is re. That is called rishab. Sa is called swarab. Re is called rishab. Then ga. Ga is called gandhar. That is a warmth and expression. Madhyam ma is like it is balancing the whole swaras. And then comes pa, pancham. Ga ma pa, a stable and powerful swar. It is another important reference point in Indian classical music after sa. Then comes dha or dhaibat. That is beautifully colored the whole 7 octaves and 7 saptaks, and Then comes Nisad. It creates expression and often leads beautiful back to say. Da. Remember, these names are part of our musical tradition. Over times, we will begin to recognize their unique character by listening as well as by singing. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Many people ask, are these the same as do re mi? They are similar in purpose because both systems organize musical notes. However, Indian classical music is built on its own tradition. One important difference is that sa is not mixed. The musician chooses a comfortable sa based on their voice or instrument. From the point of sa, all other swars are understood in relation to sa. This flexibility is one of the beautiful features of Indian classical music. Some beginners are eager to play songs immediately. But imagine trying to read without learning the alphabet. Swaras are the musical alphabets. When you knew them well, learning ragas, alankars, and compositions become much easier. Don't memorize them mechanically. Sing them. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Listen to them. Recognize them. Pa re ga dha pa. Over time, your ears will become your best teacher. Some beginners makes mistake. They try to memorize the names without listening to the sound. Music is hard before it is remembered. Sa rishabh, sa sarab, re rishabh, ga gandhar, ma madhyam, pa pancham, dha dhaivat, na nishad, sa sarab. Rushing to the swars, say each one slowly and clearly. Sa sarab, re rishabh, ga gandhar, ma madhyam, pa pancham, dha dhaivat, na nishad, sa sarab. Thinking swaras are only for singers. Whether you play the sitar, flute, violin or sing, swars are the foundation. Sometimes new beginners, new students ignore daily practices. Always practice daily. Even 5 minutes of singing sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa every day develops your musical ear. So, now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Sa, 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 re, 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 ga, 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 ma, 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 pa, 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 dha, 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 Repeat and practice this verse daily. Don't worry about speed. Focus on clarity and correct speech. Today you learned what a swar is, the 7 basic swaras, why every raga is built from swaras, why swaras are the alphabets of Indian classical music. A simple daily practice routine is important. Without understanding swaras, it is impossible to truly understand ragas. Now, if you enjoy this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Sitar by the Haldi, share it with everyone interested in Indian classical music. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you and I will give answers. In the next lesson, we will explore what is Saptak, and you will learn what an octave is, the 3 main Saptaks in Indian classical music, how the same 7 swars exists in the different pitch ragas, why every musician must understand Mandra, Madhya and Tara Saptak. Until then, keep listening, keep singing and keep playing sitar. And always remember, every great raga begins with a deep understanding of a single swar. Namaskar.